Hey guys, Paul here. Just wanted to do a video showing my Spyderco collection. You guys probably know what a lot of these are. I'm not going to go through every one by name. But I've got some nice paramilitaries up here. Super Leaf, love that knife. Very underrated if you ask me. Put a little lanyard on there. You know, lots of really nice knives. Yojimbo, Chokwe. This one is razor sharp. Probably cuts paper better than any knife I have, I would even say. Special edition Persian, the Buff G10. Not really into lockbacks anymore though. This is great. If you haven't seen this, the Ed Shemp Navaja. If you can hear that, it's a ratcheting mechanism in there, so it ratchets as you open and close it. Caracas style, they call it. Again, razor sharp. That knife is, the grind on that is sick. Gale Bradley, love the Gale Bradley. Again, I think this is a knife that not enough people really talk about. Hope my lighting is good enough, guys. Haven't made too many knife videos, so actually I haven't made any that I've shared publicly, but you know, I'm making an attempt here. Love the knife community. Been in knives for a while now, so I figured I'd show you guys what I've been doing. Gosh, this guy here, the Butch Volatin, this thing is ridiculous. I don't know if you can see the beef there, how wide this thing is. You know, some people don't like the Buff G10. I like smoothed out G10, to be honest with you. Some people don't think it has enough grip to it. But I personally think on some knives it's just really nice, feels really good in the hand. Brad Southard, you guys all know about the Brad Southard. I at least hope by now. Very smooth. Very smooth. I always like this knife. No lock, but that makes it legal in a lot of different places. So you can just close it like this. Open it very easily. Close it very easily. Nice. It's a numbered one. 092. Tim Zuada. This is another sharp one. Very sharp out of the box. Ridiculous. In fact, I think I may have even cut myself with this one once or twice. Can't seem to flick that one today. Gotta cut my nails, I guess. Oh gosh. One I've kind of grown to like. The Manix 2XL, I bought this and I never even took it out of the box for like a year. Finally started to warm up to it a little bit. I don't know why. I guess I thought it was too big when I first got it, so I didn't really carry it, but pretty nice knife. S30V, hard to beat for the price. Real hard to beat. The Sages. Love these Sages. Love how you can just flick these things. Bam. 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 Love that. The Lums. Different versions. This is a small Lum Chinese titanium. This is the aluminum handle. The beautiful, beautiful coating. Very nice. Love that green with that black blade, the way that looks. Again, I hope my light's okay here. Hope you guys can see this. This is that's another lum with a Nishijan weave carbon fiber. Hope I'm saying that right. Hard word to say. There's the larger version of the lum. This thing again, I never really carried this because I always felt it was a little too big. Let me wipe that off. But nice knife. Glad I got it. Believe it's discontinued now. So, like the Bob Lum stuff. This is the Bob Lum Tonto. Also discontinued. Only thing I don't like about this is my lock sticks a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that, but lock sticks a little bit. People have said to let it break in or put some graphite on there, so I might do that. But a lot of cool lines. We got a Chinook. Again, I kind of just got this because I like the way it looked. Very beefy, tactical knife, fighting knife. Lots of different grips you can put it in. But again, I don't like lockbacks anymore for some reason. It just feels unnatural to me. I don't know. Military titanium. You guys know all about this. Another big one. Hard for me to carry in an EDC roll. Just a little big. Love to get Tough Thumbs to make this into a paramilitary. Oh! Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, just drop that. But it's totally fine. I have to get used to doing this stuff on camera. God. Ganzanso Zulu. Cool little knife. Interesting blade shape. Some people don't like it. I think it's pretty cool. Fred Perrin PPT. This is one of my first Spydercos actually. Always liked this knife a lot. Really love the way it feels in your hand. Again, very flickable. Love that about the Spydercos. But yeah, it's pretty much my collection. Been collecting these for a few years now. And I have more knives. I have some Benchmades, a Hogue, an Emerson, bunch of zero tolerances, bunch of Kershaws. I'll be doing more vids, you know. But figured I'd start with my favorite. Spydercos truly are my favorite, so stoked that they've been coming out with so many new knives, and I hope they continue to do so, because I'll keep buying them. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to keep it short and share these with you. Alright, have a great day.